Welcome to English Series Junction. In this video we will practice a new English conversation.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. So, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, just been busy with work and some personal projects.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What kind of projects are you working on?
I'm working on designing a website for a local business and also trying to improve my photography skills.
That's great. I'd love to see your photography work sometime.
Sure, I'll definitely show you some of my photos soon.
Awesome. So, have you been able to take any trips or vacations recently?
Not really, with work keeping me busy, I haven't had much time for that.
Well, I hope you get some time off soon. Everyone needs a break.
You're absolutely right. Maybe I'll plan a short weekend getaway soon.
That sounds perfect. Let me know if you need any recommendations.
Thanks, I appreciate it. So, what about you? Any exciting news or updates?
Actually, I just adopted a puppy recently. She's been keeping me busy and entertained.
Aw, that's adorable. What breed is she?
She's a mixed breed, but I think she has some Labrador and Border Collie in her.
Sounds like a lovely mix. What did you name her?
Her name is Luna. She's such a sweet and playful pup.
Luna, that's a beautiful name. I can't wait to meet her someday.
You're welcome to come over anytime and meet her. She loves meeting new people.
I'll definitely take you up on that offer. I'm a huge dog lover.
I know. That's why I thought you'd be excited to meet Luna.
Absolutely. So, apart from work and your new furry friend, what else has been going on?
Well, I've started taking yoga classes twice a week. It's been really refreshing.
That's awesome. Yoga is a great way to relax and stay fit. How do you like it so far?
I'm loving it. It helps me distress and improve my flexibility at the same time.
I might consider joining you. It sounds like a great way to stay healthy.
You definitely should. It's a wonderful way to take care of both your mind and body.
I'll look into it for sure. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem at all. I'm happy to share my positive experiences with you.
You're always so helpful. I'm glad to have you as a friend.
Likewise. Friends like you make life more enjoyable and meaningful.
That's so sweet of you to say. You're an amazing friend too.
Thank you. It means a lot. So, do you have any upcoming plans or goals for the future?
I've been thinking about pursuing a photography course in the near future.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. You have such a talent for it.
Thank you. Your words mean a lot to me. I really want to further improve my skills.
I have no doubt that you'll excel in it. Pursuing your passion is always fulfilling.
I'm excited about the prospect. I'll keep you updated on my progress.
Please do. I can't wait to see the amazing photographs you'll capture.
I'll make sure to share them with you. Your support means the world to me.
The feeling is mutual, my friend. We'll always be there for each other.
Absolutely. That's what true friendship is all about.
Well, it's been great catching up with you. Let's plan to meet up soon, okay?
Definitely. I'll message you and we'll find a time that works for both of us.
Sounds like a plan. Take care until we meet again, my dear friend.
You too. Stay happy and keep being amazing. Talk to you soon.
Bye for now. Take care and see you soon.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.